Hi, Jürgen Hohen. So this is, in addition to the Marketing Cloud Tour video that I have, because I really felt it was important to deal with the basics. And I've seen this all the time. Like prior to enabling Marketing Cloud, what do you need to set up before you purchase the package and launch it? One is, do you guys have an approval process internally with a queue, an approval queue? And is legal involved in that queue? Two, do you have tagging of media assets? And I don't mean the assets of the website. No, it's containerized components. So you can do dynamic emails. Do you have AppScript set up? And do you have social accounts set up already? Like Facebook, all the things you're going to be publishing into. So that's one. Task prior to setting up, very important. Approval processes, tagging, social connect, etc. Then once you have Marketing Cloud set up, where can you import from? There are several external data sources, manual, via REST or SOAP API, right? And then you can also always FTP it. And then there's always Marketing Cloud Connect. That works really well. It's like Social Connect in Salesforce, but it's Marketing Cloud Connect. Always look at the connector, have a meeting, scope it clearly. It's like, you know, if a lead comes in through Salesforce, at what lead scoring point does it kick into Marketing Cloud? And at what lead point does Marketing Cloud insert a lead into Salesforce? And Marketing Cloud is like a super user. So think about it, right? You can have trigger, and then let's talk about the connect and as far as sends, right? There's triggered sends, there's synced data extensions, there's Salesforce data extensions, and there's Salesforce data extensions in journeys. Then the next thing are the components. What are the key building blocks? One, there are builders and there are studios. The builders are Analytics Cloud, Content Builder, Audience Builder. Their intention is to build things, right? And then there's the hub, which is the true reporting stuff. And the other ones are the studios. Think of what you want to publish into. Email Studio, Social Studio, all the social things. Mobile Studio, Advertising Studio, like maybe third-party websites, and a Web Studio, right? So it's builders and studios. And lastly, we're going to talk about a couple things, automations. There's Automation Studio, and then there's journeys, so that you can put people into journeys. And don't forget, can spam, as shown here. Don't ignore it. And if you have European business, watch GDPR. So with that, click on the next button and I'll have a Marketing Cloud tour. These are the basics before you start running this awesome tool to do B2C marketing. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please email me.